How to hide my real name on PayPal. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can hide your real name on PayPal. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open up your PayPal app and you can log in onto your account. Once you log in, you will brought in this page. Actually guys, PayPal doesn't have an option to hide your real name account. However, if you really want to hide your name or enhance your privacy in PayPal, I'll show you how. First thing you need to do is to go onto your profile. You can click the icon on the top left corner. And here you can click the Data and Privacy tab. Next, click the Search Privacy. And from this page, you can choose how people can look up if they want to send or request money from you. If you want them to search you by your phone number or email address, you can disable this name here to hide your other information. Other way is to create a business PayPal account. If you're using your PayPal for your business, you must create a business PayPal account. Here, there's a lot of options to hide your information. You can simply display your business name instead your real name or full name. The other way to hide your information is to contact PayPal support. PayPal contact support may help you hiding your personal information. They can potentially offer you a solution regarding to your concerns. And that's how to hide your real name on PayPal. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.